how can I get more sales without spending on Etsy ads?
There's a couple different ways that we could do that, right? We could launch more products, we could offer customization, and we could really double down on the SEO. What do we have to do that? Well, Scott, you were talking a little while ago about setting up and getting launched early, right? Launching early and often. The sooner we launch, the better position we can get in terms of getting that data. And so for me, I would be looking at a few things. If you don't want to spend on Etsy ads, and you don't have to, but it is a shortcut, a hack, if you will, for getting more sales and more data back more quickly, you do have to think about how can you start to get that data and how can you put yourself in that position. So you would have to be launching earlier. You would have to be launching potentially more products to have more lines in the water. And you would have to be thinking more about things like offering personalization to really double down and make yourself independent, different, and unique.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to say to that is you should be utilizing the internal things that are happening within your Etsy shop. What I'm talking about is your automation as far as coupons going out. All right. So if you do not have your emails going out internally, and what I mean by that is when someone favorites your item, an email is going to get triggered and get sent out to them with a 10%, 15%, 20% off coupon, whatever you want it to be. The second thing is abandoned carts. So people haven't bought yet. You want to know how to get more sales? You get those people to buy, right? That's what I would do. And then the third thing is the people that already purchased, well, we want those people to purchase more. And what this will do now is it will also help your other products that might not be doing well to get sales. And when they get sales, guess what's going to happen? You're going to have this ripple effect to where now they'll start ranking. So you see, everything internal, okay, is set up. So this way here, if we're not getting, maybe we're not spending Etsy ads or any money on Etsy ads, but we're wondering like, but I'm getting traffic. Maybe you have some social media following. Maybe you have an influencer that did a push. You should be setting up the internal stuff because this way here, you're going to let all the marketing happen that Etsy gives us internally and let that all happen. The other thing is like you said, Chris, launch more products. Well, if we have those other things in place, people have favorited our shop, they favorited our items, things like that. Well, now they're also going to get notifications when we do something in our shop. So if you run a sale in your shop, they're going to get a notification. Hey, so-and-so is running a sale. Go check it out. Or maybe your item that went out of stock is back in stock. Hey, just want to let you know, so-and-so got their item back in stock. Go check it out, right? So those are the internal things that I would be focusing on to get sales without having to spend more money on the Etsy ads. But with that being said, I would still be spending money on the Etsy ads. The question is, how do I get more sales coming in from the Etsy ads or now organically when I'm getting people coming in because I was able to drive sales, drive my rank through using Etsy ads. So that's my point of view. That's kind of how I look at it. And that's what I would recommend.